Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and access. Power off the Dell Chromebook and remove all peripherals. Once done, wear an ESD strap and remove the back screws in a consistent pattern. Make sure to keep screws labeled. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the lower case. Start at a corner and work along the seam to avoid cracking clips. As you lift, note ribbon locations and latch tabs so you can reconnect later. This first stage is about controlled access and preventing damage. Next, disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Lift the tape and unplug the connector, and make sure it stays disconnected. Then locate the keyboard ribbon cable, flip the zero insertion force latch and pull the ribbon straight out, avoiding sideways force. Remove the keyboard mounting screws and any retaining brackets. If the keyboard is glued, soften adhesive with 90% plus isopropyl, applied carefully and pry incrementally. Once free, lift the keyboard away to finish, position the replacement keyboard and insert its ribbon straight into the ZIF connector. Close the latch to lock it, then reconnect the battery. Make sure the plug is fully seated. Reinstall keyboard screws, realign the back cover, and press until all clips click. Reboot and test every key. If a key is dead, power down and recheck the ribbon seating and latch orientation, then confirm the battery connector. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reseat connectors before assuming a defective part.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.